friends, welcome to Cheryl's Topsy Turvy Recipes. I hope you all are well, fit and fine, watching videos. And today I am going to make another recipe. That is, I will show you the recipe which I am going to make. This is Turai recipe. You can see the Turai recipe, and in Bihar they call it Dhura. So today I am going to make this recipe. I hope you all will like it. If you are new to my channel, please like, subscribe, comment. So come on, let us start the recipe. First I will peel the turai. You can see. First I will peel it this way. I have peeled all the turai, you can see. Now I am going to wash them. First I will wash them, then I will cut them. I will wash them like this, and then last of all I will cut it. You can see, friends, I have washed the turai. Now I will cut them in pieces. This way I will cut them. This way I will cut all the turai. I have cut up the turai. Now I am going to make the recipe. Put some mustard oil. Put some jeera. Put 2 red dry chilies. Put some onions sliced up. Now I will put in the turai. Put some turmeric. Put salt to taste. And now I will cover it up and let it cook, because this will leave lot of water, so I will not put water. Friends, you can see the water coming out from the turai. This will dry up fully. Friends, you can see the water is dried up. Turai recipe is ready. This recipe is very healthy to eat, and it is very nice to eat in the summers. I hope you all will like it. Thank you for watching my video.